Hello, everyone. Today we're going to analyze YSL's RICO case using artificial intelligence. It's a complex case that spans a total of 86 pages. Let's dive in and see how AI can help us untangle the intricacies of this case. I've logged into the vLawyer platform to use its artificial intelligence capabilities. You can also sign up for free. All the relevant links are in the video description below. And now I've downloaded the case. I have two options for uploading the case I've downloaded: as a legal assistant or as a case. The main difference is that cases are easier to track but are only visible to me. Assistants, on the other hand, can be shared with others. I'll upload this as an assistant so that I can share it with you, allowing you to use this tool as well. I've given a name and a description to my AI assistant and added instructions on how it should function. Now I'm uploading the YSL case documentation for it to learn from. Our assistant is almost ready to be used. Our assistant is now ready. You can easily access it by searching in the search bar. If you're ready, the fun part begins now. Let's get started with one of the prepared questions. As you can see, the artificial intelligence is well informed about the case. Let's dive deeper now. We can ask any questions we have about the case to our created vLawyer assistant. This way, we can gain insights and even build a defense strategy. Isn't this much better than reading through all 85 pages individually? I'm going to ask one more question. You get the idea, right? This is truly fantastic for law students. Just upload the case you want to work on, and if you feel like it, share it with your friends. Incredible! There are hundreds of legal tools on vLawyer, and new ones are added every day by the community. You can choose any tool you need from here, or you can use it to track your cases. That's all from me today, folks. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet again in the future of law, take care and goodbye.